What if I told you the fastest, most effective path to a high-paying tech career isn't a university degree? For years, we've been told college is the only way, but a quiet revolution is happening in Germany that's flipping that idea on its head. Get ready to discover why German apprenticeships are becoming the ultimate shortcut to tech success. We're all familiar with the story. Go to university, get a degree, land a great job. But in the fast-paced world of technology, this narrative is starting to show some serious cracks. The cost of a traditional four-year degree is skyrocketing, leaving many graduates buried under a mountain of student debt. Worse yet, the return on that investment is becoming less and less certain. Many tech companies are now openly saying that the skills taught in academic settings often lag years behind what the industry actually needs. You spend years learning theory, only to graduate and find that the programming languages and frameworks you studied are already outdated. This creates a frustrating disconnect. You have a shiny, expensive diploma, but you lack the practical, real-world skills that hiring managers are desperate for. We see it all the time: brilliant graduates struggling to land their first role because their portfolio lacks hands-on project experience. On the other hand, you have stories of self-taught coders and bootcamp grads who leapfrog university alumni because they can demonstrate tangible skills. It's clear the landscape is shifting, and the traditional path is no longer the only or even the best path to success. So, if the old model is broken, what's the alternative? Enter Germany's powerhouse apprenticeship system, known as the dual system or Ausbildung. This isn't just an internship or a summer job. It's a structured, nationally recognized educational pathway that fully integrates on-the-job training with part-time vocational schooling. Imagine from day one, you're not just a student. You're an employee of a company, working on real projects with real responsibilities and earning a real salary. Here's how it works. You spend about 3 to 4 days a week at the company, working alongside experienced professionals and learning the ropes of your chosen field. You're not just fetching coffee. You're contributing to projects, solving actual business problems, and getting mentored by people who are at the top of their game. The other 1 or 2 days a week, you attend a vocational school or Berufsschule. Here, you learn the theoretical foundations that underpin your practical work. This dual approach ensures you get the best of both worlds: the deep, hands-on experience that companies crave, combined with the solid theoretical knowledge to understand the why behind the what. And this isn't just for traditional trades anymore. Germany has fully adapted this model for the digital age. You can find high-demand tech apprenticeships for roles like Fachinformatiker, which translates to IT specialist. Within that, you can specialize in areas like application development, essentially becoming a software developer, or system integration, becoming a network or systems administrator. These aren't low-level positions. They are the bedrock of the tech industry, and this system is designed to create highly competent professionals ready to hit the ground running. One of the biggest advantages of this system is the focus on skills that truly matter. University education can sometimes feel like a long exercise in memorization and theoretical exams. The apprenticeship model, however, is all about practical application. You're not just learning about agile methodologies from a textbook. You're participating in daily stand-ups and sprints with your development team. You're not just reading about cybersecurity threats. You're helping to implement security protocols on a live company network. This hands-on approach cultivates a different kind of intelligence, one built on problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability. You learn how to collaborate within a team, how to communicate complex technical ideas to non-technical stakeholders, and how to manage your time and projects effectively. These are the so-called soft skills that are incredibly difficult to teach in a classroom, but are absolutely essential for a successful career. Furthermore, you're building a professional network from your very first day. Your colleagues, managers, and even your classmates at the vocational school are all potential future collaborators, clients, or employers. By the time a university student is just starting to think about internships, an apprentice already has a 3-year head start on building a robust industry network. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the German apprenticeship model is how it acts as a powerful career accelerant. Let's compare the timelines. A typical university path involves 4 years of study, often followed by a 6 to 12-month job search, and then an entry-level position where the real learning begins. That's a 5-year journey before you're even fully productive. Now, consider the apprenticeship path. It's typically a 3-year program. During those 3 years, you're gaining work experience, building a professional track record, and earning money instead of accumulating debt. And here's the kicker. German companies invest heavily in their apprentices because they see them as future full-time employees. The transition from apprentice to a permanent full-time role is incredibly smooth. In fact, a very high percentage of apprentices are offered a full-time position by their training company immediately upon completion. Think about that. In 3 years, you can be a fully qualified tech professional with a formal qualification. 3 years of solid work experience, an established professional network, and zero student debt. You're not just starting your career. You're already on an upward trajectory. We've seen countless testimonials from individuals who completed an IT apprenticeship and within 5 years were already in senior developer or team lead positions roles that their university educated peers were just beginning to qualify for. This system doesn't just get you a job. It gives you a significant head start in climbing the career ladder. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't an apprenticeship less prestigious than a university degree? This is a common misconception, especially in countries where apprenticeships are often associated only with blue-collar trades. In Germany, this couldn't be further from the truth. The Ausbildung is a highly respected and rigorous educational path. The qualifications earned are nationally recognized and hold significant weight with employers across the country and increasingly across Europe. Completing an apprenticeship is seen as a mark of a highly skilled, practical, and work-ready professional. The prestige comes from competence, not from the name of the institution on your diploma. So, is a German tech apprenticeship the right move for you? If you're a hands-on learner who's eager to dive into the real world of tech, it's an incredibly powerful option to consider. For international applicants, the path involves a few key steps. First, you'll generally need a solid command of the German language, as most of the training and schooling is conducted in German. You'll also need to have your existing school leaving certificates recognized. Then, it's a matter of finding a company offering an apprenticeship and applying, just like you would for a job. There are fantastic resources online, like the Federal Employment Agency's website, that lists thousands of open apprenticeship positions. The world of tech is evolving, and so must our approach to education. The German apprenticeship model offers a proven, effective, and financially smart alternative to the traditional university path. It's a system built for the modern economy, prioritizing practical skills, industry integration, and direct pathways to success. So, I challenge you to think differently. Look beyond the conventional options and explore what this new university for tech careers has to offer. It might just be the smartest career move you ever make. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes to a new possibility, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that challenges the status quo in tech and education. See you in the next one.